everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Trendsend. Trendsend is by Evereve, which is a brick and mortar store. There are absolutely no Evereves by me. So when I see something I like, I request a box. It costs $20 for the box. If you keep anything in the box, that $20 is applied. Shipping is free both ways. Trendsend / Evereve is a pricier company. They have a lot of higher end name brands, so I don't do this box regularly, only when things call to me. I had about 30 something items on my wish list. In my note, I prioritized the items that I wanted specifically to try. And I got my box, and I have to say, I'm a little disappointed. This is probably one of the most disappointing boxes I've ever gotten from them. But I'm going to keep an open mind, try on, and maybe there's something I can keep. I was not going to do another box, but Evereve sent me a $15 coupon because I bought stuff over their Labor Day sale. So I kind of figured, well, let's try and see if I can spend anything on it. I have to apologize for the lighting today. It is like really a dark, gloomy day. I'm in New Jersey, but we're getting the remnants of Hurricane Ian. It's not a hurricane here. It's just dark, gloomy, and dreary and rainy. I have my ring light on, and apparently, even though it's daytime, that ring light still isn't enough, and it was casting shadows. So I also have my lights on up overhead, so I know it's giving it a yellow hue. Sorry, I try and do things in natural daylight, but it's obviously not working out well for me then. All right, so let's go through these items here. All right, let's see if I can get the description out for you to see what everything is. So they send you an invoice, all right, with the prices, and they tell you how to actually style. So they really only gave me 2 outfits this time. I literally have one bottom, that's it, just one bottom. And it was a bottom I requested, so I cannot complain. And I really don't need jeans, so the fact that they gave me these, I was pretty happy with. These are by Cut From The Cloth. They're the jean wide leg in sand in a size 0. And my price, thank you, whoever used my link, thank you so much. I got a discount. My price is $79.20, and keep in mind I also have that $15 coupon. So these are like a tan, they're calling them sand, but yeah, sand is an appropriate name. They're like a tan color. They have the slash pockets in the front. They have a huge wide leg. There should be like a crop length, but I think on me it's gonna be a full leg. They're super soft, super stretchy, and let's see if I can find the fabric content of this. 98% cotton, 2% spandex, which is a nice mix. That's a nice mix. Nice and soft. Well, we'll see how they look on me. Maybe these will be my keeper if they fit me well. I have a pair of ivory jeans. I have brown pants, a couple pairs. I don't have much in the way of tan, so I'm pretty happy with those. Next thing that I asked for was this top. This is by Nation Ltd, which is, I love this name brand. It's like cotton, comfortable, trendy tops, but they're ridiculously overpriced. Love them to death, but I don't know, the prices kill me. This is the Bardo Gathered Sleeve Tee in the color Fern by Nation Ltd. My price after discount is $123.20. The retail price on this is $154 for basically a fancy tee. Now, when I saw this online, I absolutely loved it. But when I got it in person, I have to say I'm disappointed. So the front is all smocked, okay? It has like these half gathered sleeves, which I do like, with a little bit of a puff here, and there's like a little bit of an insert to make it puffy. Not like a big thing, just like a little bit of an insert. That part I like. I like the smocking. I knew about that, but let me come closer. There's white stripes in the smocking. That I don't like. Like, why do they make stripes across the smocking? And it's just like threads. I thought it was all green, and the fact that it's striped like that's kind of throwing me off. So I was really disappointed. I'm like, this is what it looks like when I got it. The bottom has kind of like a little lettuce edge, kind of like. I love this color. Fern, I think, is an appropriate description. I wouldn't call it emerald, and I wouldn't call it forest. I think fern is a good description of this color. Super soft material. Pretty sure it's 100% cotton, but let's see. Yes, 100% Pima cotton, okay? Love it. The idea of it. I'm a little bit disappointed in the stripes. I'll put it on, see how it looks, but in my mind, for this price, it's got to be perfect. The next thing I also requested is this other Nation LTD top. Let's see if I can pull it out here. And this one is even more expensive. This is the Gracie Pink Tuck Combo Tee in Off-White by Nation LTD. My price, $140.80. Craziness. So this is more of a looser fitting tee, and it is 100% cotton, but the sleeves are like a popping cotton, and you see how they're like a pleated detail here. Both here, I guess they're calling this pin tucked. And then the bodice is a soft knit cotton, and then it has a bow in the poplin cotton in the back with the cutout. And I thought this was just adorable. I really like this. I don't know. We'll see with the $15 off whether or not it's even worth it for me. I thought, it's really ridiculously expensive, but I did want to try it because you never know. All right, the next thing I requested, and I don't like this either. I requested it. Things look so much different online. Is the Dream State Tee in Brulee by Sanctuary. This price is $55.20. Keep in mind I have that $15, so I would get it for $40. All right, I like the concept of it. Again, it's just a regular t-shirt material, like a knit in front, and the sleeves are more of a poplin, and they're like gathered here for a puff. So it's not elastic here, so I'll have to see if this is too tight around my arm. But it's, really a nice soft material. Yes, 100% organic cotton. The contrast, which is the arms, 100% organic cotton, and it's like machine wash, lay flat to dry. So the concept of t-shirt I like. The color to me, and again, I'm sorry for my poor lighting, is weird. To me, it looks like a yellowed out old t-shirt. They're calling it creme brulee, all right? To give you an idea, this is an ivory, all right? And I know you really can't see the difference here on the camera. I have terrible lighting today, but this looks like a yellowed t-shirt to me, like one that gotten dingied and yellowed. So that's why I'm a little bit disappointed by it. The next thing they sent me, which is something I do not like at all, I did not ask for it, but they sent it to me, is the Natalia Seam Blouse by Evereve for $70.40. So it's a polyester blouse with a high neck. It has covered buttons down the front that are functional buttons all the way down. It is got a regular cuff sleeve, all right? It's 100% polyester. And I don't care for this at all. First, it's, to me, short, wide, and boxy, all right? Second, I'm not too fond of the high neck. To me, this looks kind of like prim and proper or matronly. We'll have to see what it looks like when it's on. I'm sorry if you like this, but I just do not. And then the print, I'm gonna get closer, I do not like either. So it's like a cross between a leaf and an animal print, if you can see. And this just is not me, not me at all. So I don't know why they sent this. Like I said, I had 30-something items on my wish list, and this was not one of them. But they sent it to me. We'll try it on with the one pair of pants they gave me, and we'll make an outfit out of it and see how it looks. All right, last up they sent me is the Shacket. Now, I did have a Shacket on my list. My Shacket was by Sanctuary, and it was navy blue plaid. They sent me this one called the Poly Shacket in pink plaid is what they're referring to it. It's by Evereve, and it's $110.40. All right, and I will provide links. So this is a tan and brown Shacket. I would not call this pink. I'll come closer. I say that's more of a tan than a pink and brown. And it's a shorter crop jacket. The cuff sleeves. It's a shorter style, which is nice. Working pockets up top. No pockets here down on the side, so that's kind of a bummer too. I mean, I kind of like when the Shackets wear pockets. It is not lined at all, not lined at all. And yeah, it's definitely a Shacket. I'll give it a try. All right, give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, so for the first outfit that I have on the Shacket, the pants, and the most expensive top ever by Nation LTD. The pants, all right? I'm trying to debate on the length. They basically hit just at my ankle. They are a wide leg. I think they're supposed to be like a little bit more cropped and higher. If I guess I got to hike them up, they're okay. They're above my ankle if I hike them up. Very soft, very comfortable. I'm almost thinking if these will stretch out and I even need to go down another side because there is some space back here. But I like the fact that they are super comfortable on me and I think they fit well. So I may keep these. I think it's a reasonable price for them. Here's the back of them, okay? The Shacket, I'll come closer again so you can see the pattern. All right, it's a brown and like beige tan. Like it a lot, can't complain about it. It's a nice cropped length so it doesn't overwhelm my frame. I'm kind of disappointed it is not lined. It's not exactly soft on the inside. It's not too itchy or scratchy, but it's not exactly soft either. But I already have this jacket in plaid, and yes, it's different, and yes, it's a different plaid. But if I'm gonna wear like a plaid jacket, I think I'd rather wear this one and get some use out of it than this. I was looking for the one from Sanctuary, which had navy blue in it, and for whatever reason, I was more drawn to that plaid than this one. I also own this red plaid Shacket, but as you can see, it's red and brown, and it's quite long, so it's a different look than this crop Shacket. And honestly, this is a nicer one because it is lined. I'm kind of disappointed that this one isn't lined. And then I also have this solid tan one, again quite long, again lined, and this one is not lined. So I think for $110, they should have lined this Shacket. And again, it's $110 my price. It's more expensive for others. My jeans, these are the closest pair of jeans I have to these tan ones. And as you can see, the color is quite different. These are an ivory, and these I have rolled up, but they're really a crop kick flare. So I'd be happy to add these jeans to my closet. Up next is this cute top. Love it a lot. I just don't love the price. What I might do is I wait for it to go on sale. Moreover, based on the weather that we're having, I think we're starting to already get out of season for this top. So this is just a basic crew neck t-shirt. It comes to the elbow. It has the cute puff sleeves. It has this cute, adorable cutout in the back, which I like. But based on the weather now, I couldn't even show this cut off like this. I'd have to layer it right now because it's chilly outside. And I just think it's only going to get colder. And for the price of this top, for it to sit in my closet until springtime, I think it's just crazy. I might wait for a sale and snag it if it's available. I'll come closer so you can see it. Look at the details here at the arm. And again, the cutout, and my bra is covered. All right, my bra comes down here. It doesn't show my bra at all. I think it's adorable. I like it. I just think the price is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm glad I tried it though. But I think for the price and the fact I can't even show off the cute details, I'm gonna have to pass on this. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna throw on the next top. All right, this top is just a no, all around. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my wish list. Am I crazy? Did I have this on there? Because this is definitely not me. For me and my personal taste, this pattern is too busy. Maybe for everyone else, they're like, wow, this is great. I love the colors and everything. But for me, I do not like this top one bit. All right, I'll come closer so you can see. It has like a polka dot that almost looks like an animal print. It has some florals. It has some leaves. You know, I do like paisley and I do like floral and I do like animal print, just not all in the same top. It's just got way too much for me going on. The collar buttons up, like I said, very high. I would have to have it unbuttoned. As I was trying to tuck it in the back, I was literally choking myself. It was that tight. So, and the buttons are very hard to unbutton. I'm gonna have to like work on this. Hold on. Okay, it's open. Okay, much better feeling. Again, it's a half sleeve. It has a cuff here. And it is quite short. It barely tucks in. That's another thing I don't like about it either. It's short, wide, and does not tuck in well. So this is an absolute no. And again, I'm gonna have to look back my wish list. I had, like I said, 30 something items on there. I find it hard to believe that this might have been on it, but I'm gonna have to take a look and definitely, you know, knock it off if I did have it on there. But like I said, I'm kind of disappointed that this time my wish list didn't seem to 100% be used. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try on the next. Next up is the Sanctuary top. If this top were in a different color, different shade, I'd say, I'd keep it. So this color just to me looks like an old worn out t-shirt that's been, you know, yellowed. It has like a yellow tinge to it. Here's the back of it. It is extremely comfortable, extremely soft. It fits nicely under the arms. I thought maybe it might be a little tight, but it is not. There's no elastic, it's just poplin, and the way it's sewn. Very sweet, comfortable top, very trendy and styled. The color is just not what I anticipated. I thought it was gonna be like an off-white or creamy white, but this is really just like a antique yellowed color, and I'm not fond of it. Okay, one more turn so you can see the back of it. I'll pull it out so you can see how long it is. All right, yeah, I'm a little disappointed. Again, everything looks online different than you see it in person. All right, I think I just have one top left. Give me a minute. Okay, if I like this top enough to keep, I would have to size up. I get that smocking is supposed to be snug and tight, but I think this is just, you know, and I feel very exposed, my tummy in it, like I've been in bad eating weekend too, so I kind of feel like it's very exposing my little muffin top here. So here's the back of it, and I wouldn't keep this anyway. I love the color of it, but I was really disappointed by these stripes. I thought it was a solid green. I had no idea there were stripes in this top. I don't know why I didn't pick it up online. It looks to me like a solid green top. I do want a cute, trendy top in this color. So if any of you seen this kind of green color, and a soft one, I like the fact that it's like soft and cotton and comfortable. I would prefer it to be maybe a little bit longer sleeves, just because the weather's starting to turn. But yeah, I mean, oh well, this is just not what I expected when it was online. And that is my whole box. I think this is probably one of the smallest Trendsends that I've ever received. And like I said, I'm kind of disappointed that I had 30-something items on the wish list, and not many of them, you know, in my note, she brought me some of the items, and I listed them in my note, but she didn't refer to my overall wish list for anything else, and filled in with some things that just aren't me. Well, thank you again, returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. As far as what I'm going to keep, I'm just thinking about the pants. If I happen to go online and that top, Evereve top, is on sale, I might change my mind and switch it to Evereve top, but meaning the Nation LTD top. But honestly, based on the weather that we've been having, it's past season, so it should be on sale. All right, take care, and until next time.